So, hi guys, I'm Engineer Edi. You are welcome again to MOSDEE Academy. Today, we want to quickly let you guys be well informed about what we have as the latest information on the WIEC direct side, that is the registration for the GC 2022 exam. As you can see, the registration on the site is writing directly. This is a registration at wiecdirect.org. And here you can see what you have here is the WIEC Private Candidates 2022 Second Series normal registration is ongoing. Closing date for the registration and generation of pin is Wednesday, September 14th. Intending candidates are to finish their registration by 11:59 on Sunday, September the 18th, 2023. Yeah, this information is what we've been told right from last time when it was shifted or adjusted. But now I can tell you that the registration has been extended to October the 2nd. Then how do we get that? Because many people have been calling about the registration. It's still ongoing. If you need anyone, you can actually check the number scrolling on the screen. Try and call any of those numbers to inquire about how to get your registration done. Not only registration, if you want lectures as well, either the offline or the online lectures, you can actually put in for them. So, like I said, if you actually want to see the stuff, you can just come here. That is for somebody who is just about to start. This is for people who are doing the registration and how they can actually get it done. This is the site registration.wiecdirect.org. So you click on the start registration icon. When you have that, as you can see, then this stuff is going to load. Then the next thing you're going to see is just I think that is where you're going to get the information about this stuff. Now you can see here, this is it now. Now you can see WIEC registration, you can keep it in mind. WIEC registration, then you have to put your name here, the password, and this is where we are going, the PIN, which is very important. So to get your PIN, we have it available at the academic. All those numbers, it can help you vend PIN and also help you with other things. So now to get the information about the extension of registration, because that is what most people, excuse me, are all about. That is now written on, when you scroll down, I think scrolling down, you should be able to see that registration has been extended to second. You can see it here, fine. Registration ends 2nd October 2022. So here, this is the new extension. So I think with time, this will be what changed as the introductory message, because this is still the one we had before. So you don't need to panic if you still want to do your registration or you want to register for lectures. Not only do you see any form of registration you want to do, you can always call those numbers. They will help you do it in quick time. So, guys, this is the information I have for you today. Don't forget, this platform can help you guys to do registration and also help you with online lectures and what as well as offline lectures. I'll see you soon. Don't forget, you can subscribe to this channel if you're a newcomer. You have some wonderful videos that you can also watch to learn one or two things, provided you're a science student. So I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Enjoy. Bye.